Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTGM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very impressive move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and you can see by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 345. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 345, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area, and that sits down there at $3.30. So 345 and then 330 going to be the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward, basic, but very efficient way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 345 would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time, and that's just simply where the party stopped today, up there at $3.78. So 378 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, in my opinion at least, top priority right now is not really breaking resistances. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. As long as higher bases are built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.